Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Hello. In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can study in the United States for free. Yes, so you heard me. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. On this channel, I'll be spilling the tea, valuable information that people will hide from you. On this channel, we are here to tell you all about it and so much more. So, besties, have you heard about the Fulbright scholarships? In case you have not, don't worry, it's never too late. Guys, Fulbright fully funded scholarships are now open. Hi, besties. Do you want to earn your graduate degree in the United States for free? Then you're in luck, because in today's video, I'll be diving deep into the Fulbright Foreign Students Scholarship program. Now, why studying abroad can be the best decision for your future. In case you're wondering or you're thinking about taking your education or your career to the next level, whether you're a graduate and you're exploring global opportunities, or you're a working professional that is aiming to, upskill, or someone who dreams of building a career overseas, guys, studying abroad offers more than just a degree. And here is how studying abroad can transform your own journey. Number one, it gives you global exposure. You learn in diverse environments with international peers. You also get better career prospects and access to higher paying jobs and global companies. You get world-class education, and you can get to study at top-ranked university with cutting-edge programs, all for free. You also get permanent residency, and these are pathways. It can be your gateway to settling abroad, and you can also get soft skills and independence. You improve your communication skills, your confidence, and your adaptability. And you also get networking opportunities. Yes, you get to connect with mentors, you get to connect with alumni, and of course, professionals worldwide. Guys, abroad education is not just about academics. It is about unlocking a world of endless possibilities. And if you're ready to take the first step, now is the time. This is one of the most prestigious and generous fully funded scholarships out there. And if you've ever dreamed of studying at a top tier university in US university, this is your golden ticket. And in case you're wondering, what is Fulbright? Guys, Fulbright's program is sponsored by the US government and offers scholarships to international students to pursue master's or PhD degrees in any field. Yes, you heard me. Any field. Guys, it is not just about funding, it is a cultural exchange experience that helps you grow as a leader and a change maker. And over 4,000 students are awarded every year from more than 155 countries. What is covered? It is a fully funded package. You will get your tuition fee. You also get monthly living stipend. You get a round-trip airfare to the United States. You also get healthcare insurance, academic and professional support. But basically, you focus on your studies, and they take care of the rest. As an applicant, you must hold at least a bachelor's degree. You must be proficient in English. You must have leadership potential. You must be committed to returning to your home country after graduation. There are different countries that have different requirements, so make sure that you check with your local US embassy or Fulbright commission. So here are some tips I have for you. Start early. Be strategic with your statement of purpose. You have to be intentional about it. Show how your study will benefit both you and your home country. And most importantly, make sure that your recommender knows how to write a strong reference. And guys, it is more than just a scholarship. It is a launch pad to global impact for you. So are you ready to become a Fulbrighter? Hit the like button on this channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends as well. And in case you're planning to travel abroad or study abroad, but you don't have the funds to do that, here on this channel, I come with good tidings every time. On this channel, I share with you various global opportunities. Just so you know, I also found another opportunity. You can travel to UK without studying. Yes, and they would cover all of the expenses if you want to relocate. There's a new route that I just discovered. It is very legit. I am not an affiliate, so I'm just sharing with you information that I found, that I've researched. I've done all my homework. I've done my due diligence. But of course, I'm going to be sharing it on this channel in subsequent, like very, very soon, shortly after this time. So if you want to see the video, if you want me to publish the video in my next episode, let me know in the comments. Drop it in the comment. Just write publish the UK opportunity. Just write that in the comments, and I'll know that you watched this video all the way till this point. So guys, I found a lot of opportunities that a lot of people are not aware of. I mean, I am here to work for you. I'm here working for you guys tirelessly day and night, looking for lots and lots of wonderful opportunities that will help you take you from this level to the next level. That'll help you make your travel dreams become a reality. That'll make your travel goals become possible even with no budget. Whether you have little budget or you have zero budget, your travel dreams are very, very valid. So don't even sleep on it. There are lots of opportunities out there that I am constantly researching, I'm constantly finding. So when I find these opportunities, I can't wait to share them all with you. And if you have not checked out my previous video, please go ahead and do that right now. If you've been hearing about Fulbright scholarship, Fulbright, this is exactly what it is, and it is available. You can apply, anyone can apply. I mean, if somebody can apply, you too can apply. I mean, they don't have two heads. Believe in yourself, trust God, and follow the process. But I'll say this, if you want to travel abroad, you have to start preparing early. I remember before we moved out here, my husband had to move to the United States first, and thankfully I'm an American now. I'm going to publish the video in due course. I became an American citizen. So when my husband planned to come here, he just wanted to come study. I didn't even want to come to the United States. Can you imagine? I used to work in a bank, right? And then it took him a year, to prepare, to get all his, his transcript. He already had his transcript because he had his first master's degree in the UK. So he knew, the process to a large extent. But of course, it still took time to prepare his statement of purpose, all of that. He had to, reach out to his references, and then they took their time to write. Like I said, get a good reference, get someone that can write good, amazing things about you and how your statement of purpose ties to how it's going to also benefit people in your home country as well as the country, your destination country. So you have to plan everything. Make sure that you have all your, maybe your IELTS. For those of you that are running away from writing tests, please don't be afraid. You're speaking English, you can hear me. I'm sure you do well. I did TOEFL, test of English and foreign languages, and I lived in the United States at the time. And I also did TOEFL. So I don't consider it cumbersome. I don't consider it. There are books that will help you. There are GRE exams, GRE, books, past questions that will help you to prepare before you take the exam, before you take the test yourself. I trust you. I believe in you. All the education that you've garnered from your childhood up till this moment, they will all, they will speak for you, and God's Lord of Jesus will also speak for you, will speak favor, for you. So don't worry, don't be too bothered about writing your test of English and foreign languages, TOEFL or IELTS. Do not be too worried about it. I mean, if I can do it and I passed it, you too can do it as well. And good thing there are no age restrictions for majority of these scholarship opportunities. So don't say, oh, I'm too old to go. You are never too old to go to school. Hello. You are never too old to get a degree. You're never too old to add value to yourself. You're never too old to develop your skills. You're never too old to develop yourself. And if you have been thinking or you've been overthinking this, take this as a sign. Go after your dreams. Go after your goals. I'm here to support you. If you have any question for me, you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, that's also open. Please find the link to my Patreon community. You have to join my Patreon membership or my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button right there on this channel. You can click on the join button and join. Then you can book a one-on-one consultation. If you don't know where to find it, once you join my channel membership, leave it in the comment. Please, can I have the link to your consultation? I have joined your membership, and I will give you the link to book a one-on-one consultation with me. And if you want a full 1 hour consultation with me, you need help probably filling your application together, then you can book my 1 hour full consultation. I'll also put the link in the chat as well. So besties, that is it. If you have any other question for me, I am here to support you. Just leave it in the comments. I'm rooting for you. I know for sure that you will do it. You will ace it. And I know for sure. I can't wait to see you guys travel to your dream destination. Till I see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Love you. Mwah.